Here I've got Samsung Galaxy Xcover the second, and let me show you how to enable test mode on the phone device. So at first let's open the phone dialer and enter a secret code, which is *pound or *pound. And now we are in secret menu, which will help you in testing your device. So you can pick, for example, display test, so red, as you can see it's working, green, working as well, blue, it's also correct, definitely blue. Then you can pick vibration, it's working. You can pick speaker, it's working as well. And you can test all the other mega cam, front cam, sleep, sub key, dimming, receiver, and all the others. So whenever you have any issues with some features, simply test them. So actually that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.